Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Samsung wallet not showing cards in 2025. Now, if your Samsung wallet isn't displaying your cards, follow this tested solution. Number one is to check Samsung wallet updates. Open Galaxy Store, tap on search. Once you open Galaxy Store, search for Samsung Wallet and then update if it is available. Next thing you can do is to also check for system updates by tapping on settings and tapping on software update. If the system update available, install it. Next step is to reboot your phone. A simple restart can refresh wallet's connection to payment servers. If it doesn't work, go to step 3, which is to clear Samsung Wallet cache and data. How do you do this? Go to settings, tap on apps, tap on Samsung Wallet, and then tap on storage. Then you have the option of tapping on clear cache. So tap on clear cache, and then if you still want to continue further, you can tap on clear data. If you tap on clear cache, it will clear the cache. You don't need to relog. You don't need to put in your credentials again and log in again. But if you tap on clear data, it clears both the cache and the data, and you need to log in again. Then step 4 is to re-add your cards. So open Samsung Wallet, tap on the plus icon or the add card icon, and then re-enter your card details manually. And the next thing is, if the cards were added via Samsung Pay, simply relink them. Step 5 is to check Samsung Wallet permissions. Go to settings, tap on apps, select Samsung Wallet, select permissions, and then ensure storage, location, and NFC are enabled. Step 6 is to disable battery optimization for Samsung Wallet. To do this, go to settings, tap on battery, tap on background usage limits. Here is to ensure wallet isn't restricted. Step 7 is to check for bank or card restrictions. Some banks block digital wallets, so you need to contact your bank to confirm, and they can try removing and re-adding the card. Step 8, you can reset Samsung Wallet as a last resort. Tap on settings, tap on apps, tap on Samsung Wallet, and then tap on force stop. Don't forget to tap on clear data next, and then tap on uninstall. So once you've uninstalled it, you're going to reinstall it from Galaxy Store again and set it all up again. If all this fails, please contact Samsung support using Samsung Members app or visiting Samsung support. Hope you found this video helpful.